Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus versus Lenovo Idea Tab. Which budget Android tablet is better? In this video, I'm comparing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 with the Lenovo Idea Tab to find out which budget Android tablet gives you the better display, performance, battery life, software, and overall values. Let's start with the screens because this is where Lenovo has a major advantage. Both tablets have an 11-inch display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, but the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus has a 1920 by 1200 resolution, while the Lenovo Idea Tab offers a much sharper 2560 by 1600 or 2.5K IPS display with up to 500 nits of brightness. For reading, videos, studying, and general media consumption, I'd give the display advantage to Lenovo. Performance is more interesting. The Idea Tab uses the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 platform, while the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus uses Samsung's newer MediaTek-based platform. Independent testing of the Samsung found its processor capable for a budget tablet, and everyday navigation, streaming, and multitasking should feel responsive on both devices. Storage and memory depend on the configuration you buy. Samsung offers the Tab A11 with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage or 8 GB and 256 GB. It also supports microSD expansion up to 2 TB, which is excellent if you keep lots of videos, documents, or offline content. The Lenovo has another important advantage for students and note-taking: active pen support. The Idea Tab supports the Lenovo Tab Pen and Tab Pen Plus with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt detection, and palm rejection. Samsung's budget Tab A11 Plus does not offer S Pen support. Battery capacity is surprisingly similar. Both tablets use approximately 7040 mAh batteries, while Samsung supports 25-watt wired charging. Actual battery life will depend on brightness, gaming, streaming, and background applications. Where Samsung really fights back is software support. The Galaxy Tab A11 Plus launched with Android 16 and One UI 8, and Samsung promises 7 years of software support. That is an outstanding commitment for an affordable Android tablet, and makes the A11 Plus particularly attractive if you plan to keep your tablet for several years. The Samsung also has an optional 5G configuration in some markets, which is useful if you need mobile connectivity away from Wi-Fi. Availability varies by country, so check the exact version before buying. Here's a pro tip: don't choose based only on processor specifications. Think about what you'll actually do with the tablet. For Netflix, YouTube, reading, and studying, Lenovo's higher resolution display is a meaningful advantage. For long-term ownership, software updates, and Samsung's One UI ecosystem, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus becomes much more attractive. So which budget Android tablet is better? Choose the Lenovo Idea Tab if your priorities are the sharper 2.5K display, active stylus support, studying, handwritten notes, and media consumption. Choose the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 if you prioritize long software support, solid everyday performance, expandable storage, optional cellular connectivity, and Samsung's software ecosystem. For students who actually plan to use a stylus, I'd pick the Lenovo Idea Tab. But for the average buyer who wants a reliable tablet to keep for many years, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus is my overall pick because Samsung's 7-year software support commitment gives it a major long-term advantage. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus or Lenovo Idea Tab, which one would you choose?